If you've ever needed to pull together a dinner quickly, frozen shrimp is one of the easiest ways to do it. It's something I always keep on hand because it turns into a real meal in just a few minutes without too much planning. I like to buy my shrimp frozen in the bag if I can get wild caught shrimp, and that's what this is. I also like to buy the 16 to 20, 21 per pound size. It's perfect for dinner. It's a nice substantial size shrimp, and it's really great when you're gonna grill it, or if you want it for an appetizer, like a shrimp cocktail. I do usually buy my shrimp frozen with the shell on. Many times you can find your shrimp deveined with the shell on. I'm going to show you how easy it is to devein the shrimp. Take a sharp paring knife and just cut down the back. Take out any little things you might see in there. Sometimes there's a little, sometimes there's a lot. And there you have it, deveined shrimp. To make the marinade for our chili lime shrimp on the grill, first, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice from half of a lime, the zest of half of a lime, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, hot sauce to your taste. This is about a teaspoon for me. We're gonna mix that all together. If you wanted to, you could add a little honey. I'm not making this a sweet marinade. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it up well, give it a taste, and chill until you use it. While your grill is heating, pour the marinade over the shrimp and toss it well to make sure every shrimp is covered, and let the shrimp marinate for just a couple minutes. As you can see, you don't have to get complicated here. This isn't about a perfect recipe. It's about making something that works. Place your marinated shrimp on the skewers that you let soak in water and cook them on your grill for 3 minutes on a side. Deliciousness. And there you have it, dinner. You can serve it plain or with pasta or rice or grill up some vegetables. It'll be delicious. It's just one of those meals that feels a little special, but it's oh so easy. Exactly the kind of thing that I rely on in my kitchen. Simple ingredients, a straightforward method, and something I know will turn out well without starting over.